What's up guys? Merienda time tayo. So, merienda review tayo. At ang ating merienda for today is chocolate moron. So, nag-prepare sila nito kasi magbe-birthday si tito ko. Wow, mainit na mainit pa guys. So, by the way, this is locally made in Eastern Summer guys. Doon to matatagpuan. Doon to sikat. Dalas nitong hinahanda kapag may occasion tulad ng fiesta, birthdays, at any kind of occasion. So, sana natin guys. So, there we have it guys. Mainit-init pa. Banatan na natin. Ito nyo yung parang cocoa, cacao. Ito yung pinaka-chocolate niya. Flavor. So, madalas nila itong sinuserve. Nakahati siya diagonally. Karasa. Asya ini. Kapampangan, manyaman. Inang waray, marasa. Itadakimasu. By the way guys, nilalagyan din pala nila to ng mani. Kita nyo na yung palaman. Yan siya. Makaisa ka pa lang ito, solve ka na. Ayun guys, so legumes or nuts. Ito pala. Kita nyo? Last bite. Oops.